Well, good Saturday, folks. Snow lovers, unfortunately disappointed once again. A close call with a winter storm, and it looks like it's going to miss most of us here in central Maryland, although there are still two models of promise on the table for a little bit of snow trying to sneak up at least as far north as Annapolis and Easton. Blocking high pressure, that's to blame if you wanted snow. It says no, 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 and it holds the storm to the south, and that storm system right now chugging through Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama with rain, snow now in Tennessee and the mountains of North Carolina, and that's the bullseye point for this storm. Southern Virginia, North Carolina going to see some big-time impacts, something that maybe they haven't seen since the superstorm of 1993. Many locations going to pick up over 6 to 12 inches of snow with ice on top of that, and that also creates some travel difficulties and travel worries. Around here, Futurecast is quiet as we set the table and set the scene here for you. We just get clouds, and those clouds will be with us. Notice they're right there on the bottom of your screen by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, right around Easton and Cambridge, just south of Annapolis. Yes, that is snow, and it could make it that far north because the storm is very large, and before it departs off the coast, we'll get that nice little close brush by. But here in Baltimore, as well as much of central Maryland, it's just going to be some flurries. So Futurecast, the wider view, shows that brush by to the south, but it's out of here by the time we get towards early Monday morning and the storm is gone. So snow potential once again, there it is on the maps, the bullseye point in North Carolina and Virginia. Up here, just that quick little brush by south of Annapolis over towards Easton and Cambridge and out through Salisbury. So possibly we'll see some light snow across those southern zones, just some flurries here in the city. Likely, of course, down in Virginia to see the big stuff coming in tomorrow into Monday. Frosty start tomorrow as the storm brushes by to the south. A few flurries out there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are dry with a warming trend by the time we hit next week. We'll have an update, of course, later on with the forecast, as well as on your Sunday as the storm starts to work into the area with meteorologist Adrian Green. For now, download our free mobile app, WMAR2 News, available at the Apple and Google Play Store, and of course, make it a great weekend ahead.